Hi everyone, welcome to our audiobook Numbers Made Easy. The average of a few quantities is the sum of the quantities divided with the number of quantities. In this episode, I am going to demonstrate how to find average of a few numbers inside the numbers application on Mac with VoiceOver. Without further delay, let's get started.
Untitled window. Table 1, 22 rows, 7 columns. 1 cell selected B2, empty cell.
I have already selected a simple spreadsheet with 22 rows and 7 columns.
Column header cell, row header cell, row 1. A1.
The keyboard focus is already on the first row, first column, first cell, A1.
Column header cell, row header cell, A1.
Let me type 1 in this cell.
Word, table style 11. 1.
Let me hit the tab key to go to the next cell of this first row.
Column header cell, B1.
Let me enter number 2 in this cell.
Word, table style 12. 2.
I am hitting the tab key once again to move to the next cell on this first row.
Column header cell, C1.
I am typing number 3 in this cell.
Word, table style 13. 3.
Now I am going to enter the remaining numbers 4, 5, 6 and 7 in the remaining cells of this first row.
Word, table style 17. 7. G1.
I have finished typing numbers from 1 up to 7 inside the cells of this first row. Let's find out the average of these 7 numbers in the next cell. Let me hit the tab key once again to add an extra column to this table.
Column header cell, H1.
I am pressing the equal to activate the formula mode.
Formula editor.
Let me type average
AVRAGE
followed by the shift 9 which types the left bracket.
Average.
Next I am typing the range of the cells from A1 up to G1. So I have to type A as in apple,
A.
followed by the number 1.
1.
Next I have to type colon by using shift semicolon.
Colon 1.
Next I have to type G as in golf,
G.
followed by the number 1.
1.
Next I have to close this formula with the shift 0 which types the right bracket.
Right paren, closing function average. Insertion after. Right paren, closing function average.
VO right arrow.
Cancel.
VO right arrow once more.
OK.
VO space on this OK button.
Table 1, 22 rows, 8 columns. 1 cell selected H14, column header cell. Formula result, untitled, window.
Just press the left arrow.
7. Column header cell, G1.
Press the right arrow.
4. Column header cell. Formula result, cell.
The sum of all these 7 numbers is 28, and if we divide this total with the number of quantities 7, then we get 4.
4. Column header cell. Formula result, cell.
which is the answer for the average of all these 7 numbers. In this process, we can find out the average of any numbers inside the numbers application on Mac with VoiceOver. If you have any queries or feedbacks on this episode, you can write an email to my email address appleabilities@gmail.com. That's all for this episode, and I will catch you up in another episode like this. Thank you all. Thanks for listening, and bye for now.
This is an Apple Voice presentation.